Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the second video on uses of computers. In the previous video, we have seen the different uses of computers at our homes, and we have seen the various uses of computers in our schools and in hospitals. So, in this video, we are going to see the uses of computers at railway stations and airports. So, I hope you have seen computers when you have gone to railway stations and airports. The offices in the railway station and airports, they have computers. Okay, the workers over there, they work on computer. When we go for the ticket booking on a railway station, we see that in the ticket booking window, the person sitting over there, he works on the computer. Yes, he enter our details on the computer and he gives us the ticket. So first, at railway stations and airports, computers are being used for booking the tickets. Using a computer, the railway stations and airports, they book our tickets. The second use of computer is computers can be used to know the arrival and departure time of the trains and flights. Okay, when the train is going to arrive, when the flight is going to arrive at one particular airport. Okay, when the train is going to leave that particular railway station, when that flight aeroplane is going to leave that particular airport, all this detail, all the timing details are been stored, are been saved in a computer. And the next use of computers at railway station and airport is computers can be used to keep a record of all passengers. So whenever people are traveling, whenever we are traveling, the railway stations and the airports keep all our details like our name, our address, our age, where we are traveling, from which station to which station we are traveling. All the detail is been stored by the computer of a passenger. Okay, so did you understand? This all three were the uses of computer at railway station and airport. Next, we are going to see the uses of computer in a bank. The first use is computers can be used to take out money from ATMs. Yes, ATM, the full form of ATM is automated teller machines. Yes, repeat after me. The full form of ATMs is automated teller machines. So, I know you must have gone with your parents to the ATM. So, computers are used to take out the money from the ATMs. Okay, the computer stores all the information and the ATMs use computers to process all the money and give it to us. The next use of a computer in a bank is computers can be used to do calculations. How much money has been uh, how much money has been withdrawn, how many money has been deposited. Now what do you mean by deposited? The how much money has been kept in the bank. Withdrawn means how much money has been taken from the bank. Okay, all this detail, which customer has taken how much money, then everything, all the calculations in the bank are done with the help of computer. And the next use of computer in bank is computers can be used to record information about customers. Okay, the name of the customer, then the address of the customer, the age of the customer, how much money that customer is having, what type of account that customer is having, all the information about the customer is being stored in a computer. So these are the three uses of computers in a bank. Next, we are going to see The use of computer at shopping malls. Yes, whenever you go to shopping malls, you see in each and every shop there is a computer. So first, the use of computer is computers can be used to keep a list of items and their prices. Yes, computer stores or saves the list of items, the number of items that are present in a shop. It gives a list of all of them and their prices. Yes, it gives information about each and every item that is present in a shop. And the next use is computer can be used to calculate and make bills. Yes, you must have seen in the DMarts. Yes, whenever you go to Big Bazaar, there you have computer, and the person over there, he makes a bill, okay, using a computer. So they are used, computers are used for calculating and making the bills. So the next use of computer is in offices. Yes, your mom, dad, they go to office, right? So in the office, they work on computers. Nowadays, when they are working from home, you must be seeing they work on their laptops or their computers. So the first use is computers can be used to type letters and documents. You can ask them that in Mama Dada, in your office, why do you use computer? So they will tell you they use the computer to type letters and documents which are needed in the office. The next use is computers can be used to store large amount of information. Yes, whatever work your mama dada is doing for whole day, then for whole month, for whole year, everything has been stored in the computer. All the information about whatever work they are doing in the office, everything is stored in the computer. So they are used to store large amount of information. The next use of computer is to perform calculations in office, to perform a huge calculations, okay, calculations with large numbers and large calculations. The computer is used for doing the calculations. And the fourth one is computer can be used to send and receive mails. Yes, nowadays you send mails, you send your homework through mail, right, to your teachers. Similarly, in the offices, when the people want to communicate, they want to send one information, one document, or the letter from one person to another, they use computer to send the mails. Okay, did you understand this uses? Yes? Okay, we will go on to the next use of the computer for designing. Computers are used for designing. First, computers can be used by designers to design books. Yes, your books are designed by the computers. Yes, the different newspapers, yes, magazines, your books, these books, different books are designed by the designer on a computer. Then your clothes, jewelry that you wear, all these designs are first made on computer and then they are made in real. Okay, the next one, computers can be used by architects to design building. So whenever a building is to be built, first a design, a plan has been made. So the design of your school, design of your building, design of the house, it has been first made on a computer. The plan, the drawing has been first made on a computer. Then the actual building has been constructed. The next one, computers can be used by engineers to design cars, aeroplanes, robots, and so on. Now, what the engineers do, they make a miniature. What is a miniature? A similar design of a car. What design a car or aeroplane or a robot, whatever they are going to make, they make a same thing in the computer and they see how it works, how it goes on, and then only they make it in real. Okay, The next one, for defense purpose. Computers are also used for defense purpose. Yes, computers can be used to keep records of criminals. Yes, the name of the criminal is from where, what type of crime that criminal has done, all the information, the photo of the criminal, everything is being stored in a computer. Then computers can be used for keeping records of defense equipment. Equipments means what? What are the different instruments or equipments is the guns they have, okay, everything, whatever the defense has, okay, the every all the information is being stored by a computer. The devices needed to do a particular task, the devices that are needed by the defense people, okay, they have been, all the information about them is stored in a computer, okay. Then next, computers can be used for communication, okay. Now they are used by their defense. Defense means what? The policemen, the army, or the air force, all this is all they are defense, okay. And for communicating they use computer at different, they are, if they are located at different places, they use computers for communication. And the last one is computer can be used for controlling missiles. Yes, you know, you must be knowing the missiles. Yes, the missiles are used in wars. Okay, so it is a powerful weapon. A missile is a powerful weapon that is thrown for a long distance to hit a target. Okay, it is a weapon that is thrown from a large distance to, okay, to hit a target and to destroy that target, okay. For controlling them, when the missile should be when the missile should be fired, at what time the missile will reach over there, everything is being controlled by a computer, okay. The next, computers are used for space research. Computers can be used for space research and for launching satellites. Yes, when the satellite is going to launch, what time it will reach the space, okay, how much fuel it will need, everything, all the information is stored in a computer. And while making it, while designing it, also computers are used, okay. And the last one is for making animated movies. Yes, my dear learners, you must have seen the Tiger King movie, right? Yes, you must have seen the Simba movie. So these movie are the animated movie. Your cartoons that you see, they are animated. So how they are made? They are made using computers. Okay, so computers can be used for making animated movies. So all these were the different uses of computers at different places. Okay, so quickly we will revise what are the different places where computers are used. Okay, it is almost used everywhere. Each and every place you go, it is either made up of computer or it is either made with the help of the computer. Okay, so first at our homes, okay, for various different tasks, various other different work, we use computers. In schools, we use computers. In hospitals, at railway stations and airports. Then in banks, at shopping malls, in offices, for designing the books, our clothes, jewelry, for designing the plan of a building, houses, okay. Then for defense purpose, it is used by policemen, army, air force, for storing different information about criminals, the equipments, the weapons, yes. And it is also used for space research, okay. It stores information about satellites. Then last, it is computer is used for making animated movies, the cartoon you watch, the Lion King movie, all these kind of movies are made using computers, okay. Now quickly we are going to do one fun activity, and you all have to tell me the answers. Now, can you see the drawings over here? So there is one small activity for you. So what they have told us? Look at the given pictures carefully. Draw a smiley near the pictures where computers are used. Draw a sad face near the places where computers are not used. Yes, I know it is very easy and you know it all. So, what is the first place? It is a petrol pump and a diesel. Okay, petrol and diesel pump. Okay, where we take our vehicles to fill the petrol and diesel. So here for billing purpose, they have computers for storing the information, okay, about how much of petrol is there, how much of diesel is there, what is the price of the petrol. All these things are all these things are stored or and controlled, okay, by a computer. So whenever you go there in a petrol pump, you see from where you fill, from where the pipe is coming, there is a screen, okay. On that screen is nothing but a computer. It is a type of a computer. So the petrol pump, it is controlled by the computer. So yes, what is the answer? Which smiley should I give over here? Yes, I should give a smiley. Computers are used at a petrol pump. The next is a boy. He is playing Holi. So is he using computer? He has a water pump in his hand. Okay, so he is not using a computer. So he will get a right sad smiley. And the third one, you can see a woman cooking in the kitchen. Now, have you seen your mom cooking in the kitchen with a computer? No, she does not cook with a computer. Okay, she requires a gas stove, she requires vessels and vegetables to cook. So, she does not require a computer to cook food. So here the woman also does not require a computer. Okay, she is not using a computer. So we will give her a sad smiley. And the last one, can you see a man? Yes, he's a scientist. He is going in space. So for space research, we require a computer. Okay. So he uses a computer. The suit he is wearing, okay, it is a automated one. It consists of a computer which helps him to control many things and see many things through this. Okay, so this is controlled by a computer. So we will give him a smiley because he uses a computer. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope everybody has understood the uses of computer at different places. Thank you. Bye bye.